So for chapter 10 mastery number 4, I'd like to find the domains of f of x is the square root of all of x minus 3. H of x is the cube root of x minus 3. Oh, and then they use the names f again, I guess. So f of x is x plus 4 over x minus 3. And f of x is x minus 3 squared, all squared. So what do?
We have to find what messes it up.
Yeah, you just find out what x's are going to mess up your day.
The negative amount.
So here, I'm wondering, right, what can't I do? Well,
You can have 0.
I can have 0.
You can have 2, 1,
Can't have anything
and below, yeah.
less than 3.
Yeah, so really I'm looking for, all right, x minus 3 less than 0, right? The thing you're putting in the square root less than 0 is going to cause you headaches. So then how do you solve stuff like this? You guys remember this? From Algebra 1 maybe? Yeah, add 3 to both sides. Treat it like it's an equal sign, except that if you divide or multiply by a negative number, you need to flip it around. So I get x is smaller than 3. Okay, so are these the good ones or the bad ones?
These are the bad ones.
Is the bad ones? So how do I write the good ones down?
Remember?
From 3 to 3.
Yeah, I want 3 to infinity, right?
And then
Close bracket,
open bracket.
Close bracket, open bracket. Why the close bracket on 3?
You can include 0.
You can do
Yeah, because if I plug 3 in, right? That's really what I'm wondering. Again, square root of 0. Can I do square root of 0?
Yep.
Yeah, it's 0, right? You see that?
Could not real numbers accept negative infinity to 3?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
With an open bracket on the 3.
All real numbers. You can
Yeah, you could really think about, right, instead of thinking about the ones that work, we could think about it's all the real numbers except the ones that don't work, right?
Half full or half
Yeah. So how about this other one? I've got cube root of x minus 3.
You can
It's
do
all
negative
real. It doesn't matter. Do whatever you want.
No, yeah, you have no problem with that.
Yeah, and actually I could even draw a picture of this one, right?
Yeah.
So
The cube root's the little whoopty, and then the minus 3 shifts it right 3 units. Remember they're backwards before the rule. So I even know what this looks like, right? It looks like this. And then if I smush, right, it's pretty clear the domain's all the real numbers. You could run that same trick on this one, right?
Yes.
You guys see that? This thing looks like one of these guys, and it's also shifted right 3 units.
There you go.
So you smush, you get this thing. All right, how about f of x is x plus 4 over x minus 3?
You just worried about division by 0. So it just be 3.
Yeah, I need to worry about division by 0, so 3 is my problem.
So you can say all real numbers excluding 3.
So all the reals take away the set 3. Right? And by this, remember, we mean the grade school takeaway, right? Literally means start with all the things and then take away 3. How about this guy?
You have no problem with that.
all everything.
Yeah, that's a quadratic, right? All the everything. Or again, right, I could think about this as, this is clearly a parabola, right? And it's shifted
Right?
right 3 units. So it looks like this. So smush, get all of R. Cool? And we know actually one more thing, right? So the things that you're forbidden to do are square at negative numbers, because that takes us to this kind of magical complex number place. You're forbidden to divide by 0, and will be. And then, yeah, you can't log 0 or
Log a negative number?
log negative numbers. Cool? And that's the rules for actually the foreseeable future. Well, until you take a trade. Thanks.